And then if I come across to the NQ, I'm just going to go through the hourly chart. I've got exactly the same thing here in the NQ. We made a lower low last night, having gapped down. We still didn't get to this 764 retrace at 7014, so we spiked underneath the 618 at 7080 and pushed up strongly. We need to take out Friday's high of day next in the NQ up here at 72.47, and I don't think we're going to do that in one move. Again, like the ES, I think this is all part of a wave one of this C wave here. I'm looking for the C wave again. 786 retrace at 75.45 lines up with the 1.0 in terms of this A wave and this C wave. So this move and this move being equal in length, and if we see that, then it lines up beautifully on the daily chart with where I want this 2 to come, the C of 2 at 67.14, and then we get the 3, 4, 5 in the NQ. And again, same thing in the NQ as the ES. If we can't take out last week's high, and then we take out this 68.97 area afterwards, then I think it's over in the NQ, and we should be looking down for some time to come. So watching both of those carefully today. Now the Dow Jones has been stronger on this part of the move. It didn't make a new low last night, and it didn't make a new low on Friday either. So the B wave from Thursday remains intact. We have a potential 1-2 in what's looking like a diagonal for this C wave up here. And again, I'm only looking for a 26.161 in the Dow Jones, and then down again to 24.157 for the 1.0 extension A to C relationship here for its wave 2, before we then start up in the rest of its diagonal higher to the original targets at just north of 29,000 in the Dow Jones. So A down, I'm looking for the rest of this B up just to the 618, then the C down here to the 24.130, then the 3, 4, 5. But bear in mind, each of these, the 3 and the 5, are in theory going to be large zigzags as A, B, Cs. So again, it's going to be tricky to trade. It's not going to be comfortable just sitting and being long in anything throughout the rest of this ride up, if that's what we now are going to see.